Imagine a country so perfect that people think it's fake. Snow-capped mountains that look photoshopped, lakes blue than the sky, and villages so clean they feel unreal. But what if I told you Switzerland hides some shocking secrets behind its beauty? Welcome to Switzerland, the land of luxury, secrecy, and surprises. Stay till the end because what you are about to hear will change the way you see this country forever. Switzerland has not fought a war in over 500 years. Yes, while the world was burning in wars, Switzerland stayed neutral and got richer their secret. They built an economy around banking, peace, and precision. While everyone else was rebuilding cities, but that neutrality also hides something darker. Deep inside the Swiss Alps lie secret vaults not just for Swiss citizens, but for billionaires, dictators, and even criminal empires. For decades, Switzerland protected their secrets literally. Its banks once refused to share account info even with world governments. Billions of dollars slept quietly in the dark, while the world never knew who owned them. You might not believe this, but there are more than 9,000 hidden bunkers built across Switzerland. Every citizen is guaranteed a spot in an underground shelter. From the Cold War to now, they have prepared for the end of the world. Under the beautiful mountains lies an entire survival system with food, water, and even hospitals. It's like an invisible Switzerland beneath the surface. Ever noticed how every photo of Switzerland looks flawless? That's because the Swiss take cleanliness to an extreme. In Zurich, you can be fined hundreds of dollars just for dropping a cigarette butt. But here's the twist. While the streets are spotless, the country still burns tons of waste underground. When you think of Swiss chocolate, you imagine rich milk and mountains of cocoa. But here's a shocking truth. Switzerland doesn't grow cocoa at all. All the beans come from Africa and South America. Switzerland just perfected the recipe and sold it to the world as its own magic. They turned imported beans into gold. In 2018, journalists discovered something bizarre. A tiny Swiss village that was completely empty but perfectly maintained. Beautiful houses, train roads, working lights, but no people. It was part of a military experiment built to test surveillance, drones, and disaster response. A ghost village hidden in paradise. So yes, Switzerland is breathtaking, but behind its postcard perfect image lies a world of mystery, secrets, and silence. A country that hides as much as it reveals. Maybe perfection is not always pure. Maybe it's carefully protected like a Swiss wall. Would you still visit Switzerland? Knowing the truth, let me know in the comments below.